Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new fall winter tutorial for CopBot iOS. So we are coming at you guys with a brand new update, and it has completely changed how this bot is going to work for you guys, so you can guarantee these cops this fall winter season. So I'm going to get started. Here we are at the task screen, so we can already see that it's laid out differently. We're going to go into it really in the whole span of this tutorial. What we want to show you guys is not only creating tasks, being able to choose profiles, setting delay times, going over restocks and profiles, but we are also going to be showing you guys a live cop with this new format at the end. So please stick around and watch that at the end, along with all of the week 1 success. So let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to start off this tutorial with choosing and creating a task for us. So what we want to do, since we're waiting in between, week 1 has already passed and we're going into week 2, and week 2 items haven't been announced yet. So what I'm going to do in order to create a task is I'm going to get started by going into drops. So I'm going to select drops. It's going to take me to the weeks that we've had and that we're going to be going into. And then I'm going to select week 1. So from week 1, you can choose any item. I'm going to go ahead and select something that is just in stock, easier to talk about, and it is going to set us up to this screen. So it's similar and different. So let's walk over this together, and I am going to show you the differences. So you're going to notice the name of the product is already auto-filled. The category auto-filled where it says accessories, which is great. Color, you're going to select the color of the item. Obviously these socks are red, so I am going to select red. Perfect. And then size is any. It doesn't matter because it's an accessory and it's socks, right? But here's the game changer. So I've actually set up 2 default profiles for checkout. So this is if you guys are looking to cop multiple items, you have multiple cards, this is where this new feature is going to be a game changer for you guys. So I'm going to select a profile. So you can see I have CopBot and CopBot 2. I'm going to select CopBot. And then here is the new settings for all of your checkouts. So for checkout delay, you're going to want to input anywhere between 2,500 milliseconds to 4,000. That's for you guys to play around with. And then our add to cart delay will always be at 0. So I'm going to go ahead from here, save this task. I'm going to go ahead and also let's do one more item with a different profile. I'm going to select the T. All right. And again, what you're going to see is name and category already auto-filled. Color, let's just say we do want the navy that was shown in the picture. So let's do that. Navy, size. And then profile, we are going to select the second profile. Let's do 3,500 milliseconds for checkout delay this time. And again, add to cart delay will be at 0. So we're going to head back to tasks. And now what you're going to notice, you'll see the tasks. And then in yellow, you're going to see idle because they haven't been run yet, right? And please note to start the bot 30 seconds before the time of the drop. I'm going to go ahead and jump into settings. So profiles. Profile, I have CopBot and CopBot 2. So I'm going to jump into CopBot here just so you guys can see it. Very standard and straightforward, right? We have all of our, what would be your name, your email address, your phone number, your shipping information, and your card information down at the bottom. Now, the great thing about the new features, right, is you can do multiple cards. So again, I have the same type of layout, almost identical information, different card number, just so you guys can take a look at that. But that is how you'll be able to use multiple cards to cop multiple items with CopBot. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with showing you how this works. So with our last version of CopBot iOS, you would see the bot actually run through the website. Now a lot has changed. The iOS CopBot is going to be actually running all of the tasks that you've created in the background and going directly to Supreme without having to go through the website and going through the add to cart. You don't have to see that. It all actually happens in the background. Really, all you need to do is solve CAPTCHAs when you get to that point. So my recommendation for you guys is please go look at either practicing CAPTCHA solves or watching videos around it, so that way it ensures an even higher chance of you guys being able to cop. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit start. You'll see that both items are searching, they're generating the cookies, and what it's gonna do is redirect me. I'm gonna go ahead and select, it says choose motorcycle. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Traffic lights, perfect. Bicycle, I'm gonna add this in. Perfect. So now what you do is you head back, and then you're gonna see that with these, that obviously the shirt's out of stock, and you're gonna see that if you leave it running, it will actually, if the item is out of stock, if there's any restock in that time while you're running your task, it will cop it automatically for you, which is great. So I'm glad that we're actually seeing this. And the other reason why this says failed is because I didn't have real card information in there. So that's the reason why you'd see that. Otherwise, if you were to back out to this screen with your correct card information and on a drop day, you'll see a green little success cop, and then you'll receive your email. So this is how the bot has changed so drastically. We have heard a lot of your guys' complaints around issues that you've been experiencing, and we truly hope that these updates to CopBot really do make you guys happy. We're so excited to be able to share this new update because we know that you guys will be able to cop with this no problem. One thing that I do really want to bring up as far as an issue that we had heard a lot of problems during week 1 was the autofill for the credit card information. All of that has been solved, you guys. We have made sure that with this new update, you are more than ready and prepared to be able to cop. So with that, this pretty much sums up this tutorial of the brand new iOS update for CopBot. We really hope you guys have a great season of copping. And like I said, please stick around. We're going to show you guys a live cop and also all of our week 1 success.